Oh, what we doing? Treasure one. Are you wearing my black tee? Are you wearing my black tee? And when I'm gone, I'ma what you need. So you put it on before I leave. Ooh, you wearing my black tee? You see, now is not the time to lose your patience with me. Now's about that time you should be thinking about the love we could be making, baby. Think about that time that we put in, yeah, you've been patient with me. Think it's about that time that we step out, you make a statement with me. Matching clothes and matching shoes. Ooh, I think they mad at you. Ooh, I think they mad at us. Mad because you bad as fucking. I know he wanna take you away from me. It's been too long, you've been away from me. Can you spend the day with me? Hey, and can you spend the night? I'll let you lay with me. Rolling through the sheets, the only time I let you play with me. No playing with your heart, I take you serious. The last man had you on a path that got you furious. The way I treat your mind, your body, soul, it got you curious. And I know it feels different here, cause it is, baby. And I want you to see just how real it gets, baby. Your girl, sisters, cousin, wish that they could feel this shit, baby. So hold on to me.
I just wanted to call.
Man, what they do, man. It's your boy, TJ Too Smooth, Treasure One, man. And we are on our way to Garcia Orthodontics. It's a good morning. I'm tired though. You can see it in my eyes, I'm tired. You can see it in my eyes, I'm sleepy.
Drake?
Yeah, man, I'm on my way to Garcia Orthodontics. I'm already late for my appointment. But they love me in there, man. They gonna see me. They still gonna accept me. You feel me? I'll sit in that bitch all day if I have to. They're gonna be checking on the progress from my rubber bands. I don't think y'all really know exactly like what my teeth issues were or why I needed braces, but that's gonna be the next video. The next video is gonna be adult braces, why I got them in the first place. I need to wake up a little bit, so let me sip a little bit of this Celsius. Oh my gosh, Celsius be busting away. Oh yeah, open that thing up.
What?
This is so good. I wish it was like an edible snack, a chewable snack. It's about to rain. I need to get off this camera, hop on the road, and I'll see y'all in a second, man. 2 hours to go. I'm not a big gas station snack guy. Not anymore. I used to be. But today I saw something from this is MetRx protein bars. The big 1000. I love this series. They got one that's like a cinnamon apple swirl, delicious. They got one that's like a cookie crunch, chocolate cookie with white frosting on it, clutch. So this right here, I got a feeling it's gonna be delicious. Fruity cereal crunch. I ain't gonna lie, it smells like Cap'n Crunch. That's what it smells like. It smells like Cap'n Crunch with icing on it, which is like an edible. Let me try it. First reaction is that motherfucker tough as hell. Probably because it's 70 degrees in Wawa. But it's good though. Yes, sir. We done made it down to Garcia Orthodontics. Let's go inside, man. I'm late as fuck, but it's cool. They're gonna accept me, bro. They got to. They gotta do it. I come from too far. I live too far, man. They gotta accept me. Bam. All right, so I gotta come back in like an hour because everybody's on lunch. Thank you. How you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm good, can't complain.
Using the elastic?
Yeah, I've been using it, for sure.
Full time? 22?
Yeah, as much as I can, yeah.
Perfect, okay. Okay, you're the assistant today. Hi.
Hey, Garcia, orthodontic.
Okay, is the Connie, is your ortho clinician for today. The
Connie.
doctor is coming, okay?
All right.
The first is the check your note and read and
Okay.
go to waiting for the doctor.
Whatever we gotta do, I'm here. Let's get it. They're trying to correct the bite. I feel like it's working. I think it's working. Bathroom key? That side profile. My bite is hella even now. It used to be underbite. We're gonna brush these teeth though. Let's do that. Yes, sir. A little pro tip for y'all. If you have braces, keep some toothpaste in your car. And a toothbrush.
What's going on?
Long time no see.
Doctor, he's Trevor.
How we doing with those rubber bands? You know that's the question, right?
Yeah, I've been on it.
Let's see. Lie down.
Okay, Dr. Trevor is
Open.
26
Relax.
of 38.
What color should I do? Hold up, y'all. Change the plans.
Yeah.
Okay.
We might be flipping. Flipping from blue or pink. Oh my God. I blame it on you. I blame you.
Everybody.
Oh my God. I got you. You gotta give me your at name. I think blue is the one too.
Yeah, it's the blue.
You know what I mean? No pink. You ain't rocking with it. See?
Don't do it.
Alright, don't do it.
Blue.
Blue. I'm going with that.
Okay.
We can flip for it. We can flip for it.
You flip it.
I gotta stand up. I'm gonna flip it. I'm flipping it.
You flip it?
Yeah. Alright, so listen. Heads is blue, tails is pink.
Tails is pink, head is blue. Okay.
Alright, let's go. Should I drop it? Put it on your hand? Hold up. Which one? What did we say again?
You want blue, I want pink.
Heads is what?
Heads is blue, tails is pink.
Oh! No! All right, that's 2 out of 3. That's 2 out of 3. That's 2 out of 3. All right, one more. 2 more, really. All right, let's go. 2 out of 3. Heads is blue, tails is pink. Come on, God. What?
Tails again.
I'll do it. You won 2 out of 3.
That is true.
You won 2 out of 3. I'll do the pink though. I ain't
Do the
tripping.
pink?
I ain't tripping. You know. Oh man. All right. I can't even show y'all the process. You'll see it when it's done, man. I'll be back. Oh my. I live north. I'll be back in 6 weeks.
2 hours?
Yeah. I live
Okay.
far. I live far.
Okay.
It's gonna be like this for 6 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah. Okay.
I can rock with that.
It's cool. It's cool.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay. Trevor.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember using the elastic.
Rubber band, no problem.
It's done.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
appointment from this.
All right, cool. Appreciate y'all. We pushing pink now. Let's.
We're gonna see you again in 6 weeks.
Boom. So there you have it, man. Your boy pushing pink again. Hey, listen, bro. Pink done did a lot for me in the past, so you feel me? I am not complaining, baby. Leave a comment down below. Man, check the drip though. I actually took some fire ass pictures. I'm gonna post those on the screen now. Give this video a like. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the pink. You know what I'm saying? That's how we coming. Subscribe to the channel, man. Share this with somebody who need to see it. This is what we do, baby. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth. I'll see y'all in the next one. Go.